everyone, I'm Ishwar Gautam and in this video I'm going to show you my project Fantasy AI Draft Advisor. This is an AI powered web app that helps you pick the best fantasy Premier League team using live data and large language models. The app is built with Streamlit for the front end and uses Python, LangChain and OpenAI's GPT models. It generates team recommendations for 3 different manager personas: aggressive, safe and balanced. That means it will recommend 3 teams based on a risk, price category and other factors as well. You will see this once I show you a demo, so without any delay, let's run the project. Streamlit, run front end, Streamlit app.py. Okay, this is the dashboard. You can see the Fantasy AI Draft Advisor title and some quick stats. On the left sidebar, you can choose the theme and see AI insights and transfer trends. There is also the player data which comes from the official FPL page. Now I will click the Generate AI Team Recommendations button. With this, the app fetches live FPL data, sends it to the LLM and generates 3 teams: aggressive, safe and balanced. Here are the 3 teams. In aggressive, it recommends this team. It also shows the budget status. You can spend 100 million in total. Right now it is showing over budget. These are all the players it picked for these team combinations: Pickford, Guehi, Saka, Haaland, Foden, Semenyo, Rogers and so on. The 4 bench players are also shown. There is an empty box where you can select any player you like. To do this, click the button and it will show the full player list from which you can select a player for your team. This is a very nice looking table and it also shows the players' condition, whether they are healthy or not. I can choose, for example, Guehi from here. I know Guehi is already in the starting 11, so it will be good if the app didn't list a player that is already selected. After selecting a player, the budget updates accordingly. You can replace any player you like. I can change Pickford for example. By clicking here, I can select Raya or Sanchez from the table. The player is updated and the budget is also updated accordingly. Okay, this is the aggressive team. Next, we have the safe team. Here, there are players like Raya, Tarkowski, Fernandez and Pedro. The C tag in Watkins indicates the captain and BC indicates the vice captain. So Rodgers is picked as vice captain here. Finally, we have the balanced team, which includes players like Saliba, Rodgers, Fernandez, Matthews and so on. These are the bench players. I can select any player in this card. For example, I can select Haaland. Haaland is obviously a premium player and is expensive, so the budget will go high. But this is just a demo and many things are still pending in this project. So this is the demo for Fantasy AI Draft Advisor. I like this UI. I have built it with Streamlit for the front end, LangChain for LLM integration and OpenAI GPT for team generation. I have used Python, Pandas and .env for data and configuration. That's my Fantasy AI Draft Advisor. If you have any questions or want to try it yourself, check the repo link in the description. There is also another branch named RAG implementation where I have added more context and passed it to the LLM. You can check that out as well. That's it. I hope you are excited to work on this project. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.